You have the large access group. The World Security Report talked about the #1 threat to chief security officers is insider threat. So even your least risky identity, the employees who have gone through the background check, have gone through the reference check, have gone through the credit check, are theoretically still your #1 threat. And you're giving them access to basically every single door in your enterprise as soon as they come on board, before you even truly get to know them. Your contractors and vendors are a whole different animal. So that will typically, even just to grant them that initial access, again, they will either have to review a standard operating procedure. You may have one for employees, one large access group for contractors, and then one for visitors. But again, no thought to it, right? You've put some thought to it. You say, okay, I know that I want my visitors to get through the turnstile. I know contractors need to get through the front door of most of our facilities, and they get up to just the general access floors, let's say, right? So you have different access groups. If not, security has to reach back out to either the hiring manager or the line of business person that brought on the visitor or the vendor or the contractor and ask them what type of access they should have as a starting point. That access then, once that email is returned, the data entry again into the PAC system, or they go to a vendor manager and say, okay, what typical access does do your contractors or vendors require? And then again, usually you'll have like a one for visitors that will get you through the turnstile. So problem with how do you get your people into only the access that is required for them to do their job? And what's that called, right? That's called least privileged access.